This one breaks my heart. My name is Taylor Grant. I'm a licensed public adjuster with BellatorClaims.com. Wilma from Aurora writes in, "A fire destroyed our home. The home took a year to rebuild with lots of no communication between the insurance company and the contractor, resulting with poor workmanship causing 3 return trips to correct the problems, and still some are existing. The personal contents," okay, so your personal property, I'm going to talk about that here in a second, "was the worst in paying out. We had $200,000 in personal contents insurance coverage. We did our due diligence in providing proof of loss, and the insurance company depreciated items close to 40%. Whew! We received half the amount claimed on contents. The insurance company puts up a facade that they are on your side, when in fact they are only on their side. 3 rate increases in 2 years because of the fire." Yeah. So this is a tough one because there's a little bit of validation for the insurance company that says, hey, we need all the receipts and we need proof that you owned all this stuff in your property. But then there's also a sense of common sense that needs to be used in regards to, hey, we had a TV. Yeah, I bought it 5 years ago. TVs today cost less than they did 5 years ago, and you get better stuff. But why aren't you paying for a similar TV today than you did 5 years ago? And so basically what they're saying is the insurance company took every dollar that was paid for contents, depreciated at 40%. So now it's only worth 60 cents. So they're giving 60 cents on the dollar for contents. This is where you as the consumer must take responsibility and verify that you catalog your contents. I'm guilty of this myself. I have not done an amazing job. There's some big items that we have cataloged, have receipts and everything else, and then some of these smaller items, like it's almost not worth the time cataloging all your spoons and stuff that are in your house, right? So you have to make that decision. You have to make that judgment call and say, hey, look, if something happened, would we be properly covered? And that is a question that you have to answer. For me, I feel like I am with the big items in my house. With some of the smaller stuff, I would probably have to fight the insurance company, but this is the deal. I'm actually going to make a commitment to go catalog the things that I know have to be done and get that taken care of by the end of this week. And I hope you do the same thing. Again, more of a public service announcement in this regard, but make sure you have the right coverage to cover the contents within your home. If you only are limited to $200,000, like this policy for Wilma, what if you have $300,000 worth of contents? You're not covered properly. So make sure when you have a fire loss, you have somebody working on your behalf to get that gap covered. Now, could we cover that 40% gap? It just really depends on the policy, on the documentation and the proof that we have. It's very possible, I would probably tell you, that we could have gotten more just based on my knowledge and what the insurance companies do, and we push back on them a little bit. They'll give us more for the contents, but I don't know if I could make up the 40%, or in this case, maybe like $80,000. That's a big discrepancy. And think about if you got $80,000 less worth of contents or furniture or TVs or lamps and all the other stuff that goes inside your house. What if you got $80,000 less than you needed? It hurts a little bit. So make sure you're covered with the right policy. If you need help, contact us today. BellatorClaims.com. Again, my name is Taylor. I'm a licensed public adjuster to help you with your property insurance claims. Visit us at BellatorClaims.com.